what's up guys? It's about 2 a.m. right now and I'm waiting for some laundry to finish up, so I thought I'd just make this quick video on how to host your own website on your own server. The main reason I'm making this is because when I first tried doing it, it was a pain and there was so much stuff to go through, but I'll show you guys. Let's just get into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make an AWS account. We're going to be using this as our server, so if you guys don't already have one, go make one. I'll leave a link in the description. So once you do that, just log in. There's two different types of services they provide, EC2 and Lightsail. They're pretty similar, but I'm just going to continue with Lightsail for the purpose of this video. So if you press on Lightsail, it's going to let you create an instance. And we're going to choose Ubuntu 18.04. Where is that? Okay, right here. So essentially it's just a Linux system. So we're going to be going through a lot of Linux commands, stuff like that. Let's just call this YouTube host site, whatever. Okay, create that instance. Alright, so once that's up and running, the first thing you want to do is go to networking real quick, press on create a static IP address, and link it to an instance. What this does is it actually gives you an IP address that goes right to your server, and I'll show you guys why that's important. I'll just call this YouTube demo create. So once you have all that set up, you want to go back to Lightsail, go on the server over here, and this is your public IP address right over here. Nothing's going to happen if you just go type it into the browser. It's going to say that. But we'll get that fixed. So once you have the AWS part set up, just going to get your website HTML file. So say you just have some type of website sitting locally, some index.html file, whatever. For this purpose, I'm just going to go to html5.net, download this one right here. Open this up. So as you guys can see, if I just go on the index.html, it's being funny. It's playing games. Okay, yeah. So yeah, it opens up right here. So what we want to do is get it to like the point where if we copy and paste this IP address, we get to this site over here. So what I recommend is, to avoid a lot of pain later down the road, just upload it to GitHub, and I'll show you guys why that's the easiest way to do it if you're just trying to throw a website on there. So if you guys do not know how to upload it to GitHub, first thing you should do is make a GitHub account. Once you have a GitHub account made, just press on new repository. I'll call it YouTube demo. Make it public, doesn't matter. Create it. So what you want to do is just copy this right here. Head over to your terminal, and we're going to go to where we downloaded the website. So I think it's in my downloads folder. So guys, just if anyone doesn't know, CD, that just means change directory, lets you go through directories. And if you type in ls on a Mac, it shows you all the folders of the directory you're in. And on Windows, it's dir, I believe. So dir, just like that. So we're going to go into the downloads folder. Then we have CD HTML5 up, whatever, okay. And that's our website right there. So the first thing we want to do to get on GitHub is type in git init. That sets it up to be a Git repo. Then we want to do git remote, add origin, and paste that link we just copied over here. Then we can do git add period, which pretty much adds all the files. And then we'll say git commit -m upload init. And then the good old git push. Oh, okay. This is just a way to do it through the terminal. There's also a GUI for GitHub. You can just use that and push it. The point is just get it onto GitHub. Yeah. And now as you can see over here, it's on GitHub. Great. Okay. Next step, we want to set the server up so we could actually visit it. So there's a bunch of ways you can actually get into the server. You could use SSH from your terminal. I use this app called Termius. It's pretty nice. It lets you save a lot of your hosts and just like log right into them. But I'll just do it straight from here, from the AWS website, since it's probably easier for everyone following along. Just press connect using SSH. and you are in your server right here. So this is going to be pretty annoying since it's all just typing into the terminal. A lot of what this is just copying and pasting. If any coder tells you that they don't copy paste, they have this down to an art. They just got to memorize. That's great for them, but 99% of people who code just copy paste. So the first thing we want to, I'll also post this link so you can follow along, but just copy and paste it into the right terminal over here. Let me just close this one, get out of the way. All you're doing is installing the Apache 2 package. This is essentially what allows you to actually host websites. It points your IP address to a certain folder, and then it handles all that. We'll get into that in a second. So yeah, just copy paste that. Step 1, obviously install Apache 2. Oh. Continue. And you guys don't really have to know what's going on here. Essentially, we're just installing the Apache 2 library onto our server. So the next thing you want to do, which is kind of annoying, is you want to actually do some firewall settings. Now it may sound complicated at first, but it essentially lets the internet know that if you're coming to the server, allow it to access ports 43 or whatever the other one is, 8443, which is HTTP and HTTPS. Just ignore what I'm saying right now. Anyways, what you want to type in is sudo ufw status. It says inactive, so you want to say, does that work? Okay, enable. So that actually opens up your firewall. Now if you type in sudo ufw status, you can see that. And then we can add some ports. So sudo ufw allow. The first thing you want to do is actually allow 22. If you don't do this step, you actually can't get back into your server, and I learned that the hard way. So do that first. Then we're going to do allow, let's do 80. And the reason we type in sudo is just for like root access. Don't worry about it. Just kind of follow along. ufw allow 443. This is for HTTPS. And let's type in Apache. That's what it says you're supposed to do, but it doesn't make a difference. And now if you type in sudo ufw status, you'll see all the ports that are open, and we're all set to go on the firewall side. So next thing you want to do is actually go back to the server. If you go on networking, you can see your firewall over here. It already has these 2 ports open. Let's just add HTTPS. If you just type in 443, it should come up. Oh, okay. Yeah, right there. So that's perfect. So now let's see what happens when we go to this address over here. See, this is the default page you get. So that means everything's going perfectly according to plan. Now what we want to do is say when we go to this IP address, instead of going to this page, we want to go to our own website. So let me show you real quick what it does. So it says type in ls, right? This is the home directory we're in right now. We want to go to the root directory real quick, and there's this folder called var, and then when you install Apache, it creates this other folder called www, and this is where your sites are going to be. So if I just type in ls, you're going to see this HTML folder, and this is actually what's being served right now. This right here is this index.html folder. Let me just get this out the way. So what we want to do is we want to put our website into this folder over here, which is why I talked about having git just uploading to GitHub, then we can just pull it straight to the server. So next thing we want to do is install git on our Lightsail instance. So again, install git. Again, it's just copying and pasting, guys. Same steps as before. We're just installing libraries. We don't have to run this step again since we just ran it. We're just going to run sudo apt install git. Just let it do its thing. Just double check that it worked. And we're all good to go. So now we're going to go back over here, press on clone download, copy this link again. If you use HTTPS, You could set it up with SSH later, but that just takes a little bit of extra time, so we're not going to cover that. Then we're going to type in git clone. Oh, let me get into the www folder first. You want to make sure you're in this folder, so you should see the HTML folder. Again, cd change directory ls lists all the folders in that directory. On Ubuntu, to use ls, not dir. So git clone. This just copies over the repo. Oh, okay. Maybe sudo git clone. Yeah, that's that sudo thing I was telling you guys about. If you don't type this, sometimes it says permission denied. So just type it when in doubt. Actually, that's bad advice. Don't do that. Type in ls now. We'll see YouTube demo right there. And if we go into YouTube demo, we'll see all the files that we have on GitHub. That's great. Okay, so now this is the real easy part. We're going to go back to the root, and if we go to change directory etc Apache 2, we're going to see all these other things over here. We're going to see sites available, sites enabled. What we want to do is go into sites available, right? And then we'll see all this 000 default SSL. What we're going to do for now, so right now what these conf files do is they kind of handle how everything is being routed on the server. They're configuration files. So if we type in sudo nano is just text editor type of thing, and open this up, we can see how it's being configured right now. So everything that has a hashtag is just a comment, ignore it. This says this is open on all ports 80, I'm guessing. The only thing that really matters is this thing over here, which is document root. Notice how it's pointing to that HTML folder that we were looking at earlier. So real quick, all we have to do is change that to YouTube demo. We can hit Control X, hit yes to save. Okay, yeah, now it's saved. So let's just double check that it got saved. Sudo 00 default. Perfect, yeah. And then server admin, you can switch your own email. It does not really matter for now. And you guys find out on YouTube learn how to get your copy and paste it. And then you can set up certain rules and stuff like that.
Martin had a dream.
YouTube demo files don't have access.
Martin had a dream.
Maybe you don't want to meet.
Kendrick have a dream. All my life I want money and power, respect my mind or die from less shout. I pray my dick get big as the Eiffel Tower, so I can fuck the world for 72 hours. Goddamn, I feel amazing. Damn, I'm in the matrix. My mind is living on cloud nine, and this 9 is never on vacation. Start up that Maserati and vroom vroom, I'm racing. Popping pills in the lobby, and I pray they don't find her naked. And I pray you niggas is hating. Shooters go after Judas. Jesus Christ, if I live life on my knees, ain't no need to do this. Park it in front of looters. Next to that church is chicken. All you pussies is losers. All my niggas is winning, screaming all my life. I want money and power, respect my mind or die from less shout. I pray my dick get big as the Eiffel Tower, so I can fuck the world for 72 hours. Goddamn, I got bitches. Damn, I got bitches. Damn, I got bitches. Wifey, girlfriend, and mistress. All my life I want money and power, respect my mind or die from less shout. I got 25 lighter on my dresser, yes sir. Put fire to that ass, body cast on a stretcher, and her body got that ass that a ruler couldn't measure. And it make me come fast, but I never get embarrassed. And I recognize you have what I've been wanting since that record that Adina Howard had. Pop it fast to impress her. She rolling, I'm holding my scrotum, imposing. This voice here is golden, so fuck y'all, I goes in. And all my life I want money and power, respect my mind or die from less shout. I pray my dick get big as the Eiffel Tower, so I can fuck the world for 72 hours. Goddamn, I got bitches. Damn, I got bitches. Damn, I got bitches. Wifey, girlfriend, and mistress. All my life I want money and power. Respect my mind or nigga, it's go time. I roll in dough with a good grind, and I run that hoe with a bouton. That's a relay race with a bouquet. They say, K, you gon' marry mines. Biatch, no way. Biatch, no way. Biatch, no way. Biatch, okay, I'm never living life confined. It's a failure.